Cotton Candy Machine MG121 Sugar Module Cleaning Operation Video. First, cut off the zip tie. Then remove the sugar delivery tube. Tap the tube to clear leftover sugar chunks inside. Use a thin needle to unclog the pipeline. Tilt the machine to pour out the sugar chunks. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the burner screws. Then you can take off the burner. You can use a screwdriver to unclog the sugar outlet. After cleaning the burner, secure it back in place with the screws. Reinstall the sugar delivery tube. The cleaning process is now complete.